And say for instance, I get a 150 on my score. Would you suggest that I go ahead and still apply to the schools that I'm interested in? Given the fact that, everything else may be good, like my personal statement, definitely my recommendations, my resume speaks well of itself by me being a federal government employee. I have years experience, managing and, operating and being a facilitator of things and working on data reports. Like, is it the thing as far as scoring is concerned?
So it sounds like you have an impressive work background, which will certainly help your application. But the LSAT score is the thing. That is the biggest factor in the admission process. And so if you get a 150, depends on what schools you're looking at. If 150 is significantly below the median of accepted students from previous cycles, then you might be better off waiting. And I know you said you're applying already even before you take in February. Given that, are you considering applying next fall if this cycle doesn't happen for you?
Absolutely. Absolutely. If this cycle doesn't happen for me, then I will go ahead and apply for the next. Cool. Given the fact that since February, my scores will be different than what I've taken in September. Right. So it was just the fact that I wanted to meet the deadline for the JD applications.
Right. I see. Okay. So in that case, if you would apply next cycle as well, then February is not your last opportunity to take the LSAT. You've got 4 months. You can make a lot happen. And I certainly hope you do better than 150. I hope you get your 160. If you don't, though, you could still retake it in the summer or in the fall and potentially score higher. So this is not your last chance. Thanks for tuning into the show. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already to be notified of new episodes as I release them. And feel free to reach out if you need anything at all as you move forward with your prep. I'm happy to help however I can. In the meantime, I'll wish you all the best and take care.